Welcome back to the channel, where luxury meets adrenaline on four wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the seductive design and raw power of the Aston Martin Vantage. The Aston Martin Vantage's front view is where aggression meets elegance. Its low-slung profile and wide stance immediately assert dominance on any road it graces. The signature grille, inspired by racing heritage, sits proudly in the center, commanding attention like a lion surveying its territory. Aerodynamic creases sweep across the hood, subtly channeling airflow with purpose and style. Every curve, every angle feels intentional, crafted to seduce the eyes and slice through the wind. The Vantage doesn't just look fast standing still, it looks alive. This is a front end that whispers danger, luxury, and performance in the same breath. Every element of the Vantage's face works together, like a symphony of aerodynamics and artistry. Those fluid lines blend beauty and function, giving a modern yet timeless personality. The headlight angles pull the viewer's eyes outward, enhancing its broad stance. The sharp detailing around the intakes and vents looks chiseled, never forced. You sense that this design didn't come from a computer alone. It came from passion, tradition, and a refusal to compromise. As first impressions go, the Vantage's front is unforgettable. It demands to be seen, admired, and feared on the open road. The headlights on the Vantage are a striking blend of technology and expression. Slim and aggressive, they stretch like piercing eyes set on the horizon. Aston Martin integrates LED lighting with precision here, using signature lighting patterns to give the Vantage its distinct nighttime persona. It's not just about illumination, it's about presence. Whether you're pulling into a five-star hotel or charging down a dark canyon road, these lights announce your arrival with class and purpose. Their sharp sweep into the fenders adds to the car's already dynamic look. When they light up, they flicker to life like a predator focusing in. From an engineering standpoint, the lighting system is built for both efficiency and durability. The LED units are designed to last longer and consume less energy, supporting the car's performance ethos. And when you signal a turn, the sleek amber indicators pulse with confidence, not flash with obnoxious intensity. It's a masterclass in restraint and refinement. Few cars blend aggression and elegance so well through something as simple as headlights. But that's the Vantage for you. Every detail matters, no matter how small. The doors of the Aston Martin Vantage are more than just an entry point. They're an invitation to another world. Swinging open with a signature Swan-wing motion, they lift slightly upward, avoiding curbs while offering a dramatic flourish. It's a design choice that combines function with flair, setting the Vantage apart from the mundane. As you approach the door handles, they sit flush with the body, preserving the car's clean lines and aerodynamic efficiency. A gentle touch is all it takes to have them extend outward, like a secret handshake between car and driver. Opening the door feels ceremonial, like unlocking a vault performance. The attention to detail extends beyond the surface. Insulation within the doors ensures wind and road noise are kept at bay, allowing for a refined cabin experience. The locking mechanism is nearly silent, and the soft close option ensures the doors shut perfectly every time. In a world where doors are often overlooked, Aston Martin makes them a highlight. They don't just let you in, they set the tone for the entire drive. Elegant, practical, and subtly dramatic, the Vantage doors are an experience before the journey even begins. Beneath the sculpted hood lies the heart of the beast, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse, sourced from Mercedes-AMG and fine-tuned by Aston Martin engineers, produces a staggering 503 horsepower and 505 lb-ft of torque. It roars to life with a deep, guttural growl that sends shivers down your spine. The moment you press the start button, the engine snarls with intent, ready to leap forward at a moment's notice. This isn't just raw power, it's controlled chaos. The Vantage can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, and it'll keep pulling all the way to a 195 miles per hour top speed. But it's not all about straight line speed. The engine is mounted low and pushed far back for near-perfect weight distribution. This grants the Vantage astonishing agility through corners, offering a driving experience that's both thrilling and composed. The 8-speed ZF automatic transmission shifts with razor precision, delivering power smoothly whether you're on a track or gliding down a coastal highway. Engage Sport Plus or Track Mode, and the exhaust note deepens into a symphony of pops, crackles, and growls. It's the kind of sound that makes tunnels irresistible and traffic lights feel like launch pads. Despite its ferocity, the engine offers surprising civility in comfort mode. It's perfectly livable, responsive yet relaxed, making the Vantage suitable for both spirited drives and everyday cruising. Fuel efficiency isn't its headline feature, but with cylinder deactivation technology, it does better than you'd expect from a supercar-like experience. The engine bay itself is beautifully laid out, with carbon fiber trim and meticulous detailing. It's a mechanical work of art, equal parts brawn and beauty in the very soul of the Vantage. From the side, the Aston Martin Vantage displays its most athletic and aerodynamic posture. The compact dimensions and low roofline give a crouched, ready-to-pound stance that's pure performance. Its sweeping shoulder line runs uninterrupted from the front wheel arch to the taillights, creating a fluid silhouette that screams motion even at a standstill. The doors, frameless windows, and sculpted side skirts all contribute to the sleek, uninterrupted flow of design. Every contour and crease on the side isn't just aesthetic. It channels air efficiently to reduce drag and enhance stability at speed. Another key feature of the side view is how the body sits so close to the ground, enhancing its planted feel. Even the side mirrors are sculpted to cut through the air, mounted on elegant arms that blend seamlessly into the design. Optional blacked-out or gloss trim packages can give the side profile a stealthy or sporty finish. But no matter how it's spec'd, the side view remains one of the Vantage's most compelling angles. It's proportioned like a supermodel but built like a sprinter, refined, balanced, and utterly breathtaking. The wheels of the Vantage are a masterstroke in both engineering and aesthetics. Ranging from 20 to 21 inches depending on trim, each set is forged for strength and lightweight performance. The Y-spoke and multi-spoke designs are precision machined, offering a stunning blend of aggression and elegance. They're finished in a range of colors, from satin black to diamond-turned silver, allowing each Vantage to reflect its owner's taste. The wheels fill the arches perfectly, sitting flush and giving the car a squat, race-ready stance. Behind them, massive ventilated carbon ceramic brakes peek out, functional and gorgeous in equal measure. The wheel arches themselves are flared just enough to suggest aggression without exaggeration. Optional color-matched brake calipers add a splash of contrast, red, yellow, or black, depending on how bold you want to go. Even when the car is parked, the Vantage's wheels offer a statement. This is a machine meant to move, to thrill, to perform. They're not just components. They're extensions of its soul. Every revolution, every turn, is poetry in motion written by these sculpted rings of speed. The rear of the Aston Martin Vantage is perhaps its most distinctive angle, blending modern aggression with classic British elegance. The thin, full-width LED taillight forms a continuous line that mimics the car's rear spoiler, glowing like a red horizon at night. It's sculpted to perfection, with a tightly wrapped bumper and integrated diffuser, giving it a squat, muscular stance. Twin exhausts sit wide apart at the bottom, hinting at the power that lies within. This rear isn't just a goodbye, it's a statement. Every line flows with aerodynamic intent, managing airflow and generating real downforce. The materials used here speak volumes about Aston Martin's craftsmanship. From gloss black accents to optional carbon fiber trim around the diffuser and light bar, everything feels bespoke. The stance is low and wide, enhancing the visual drama and confidence. Every detail, from the way the light curves around the body to how the bumper hugs the tires, is about precision. And when those twin pipes rumble to life as the Vantage pulls away, the back view becomes a cinematic finale. It's not just the end of the car, it's the beginning of a lasting impression. Inside the Vantage, the front seats are where the luxury truly hits you. They're deeply contoured sports seats designed to hold you tight during aggressive driving, yet comfortable enough for long journeys. Crafted from hand-stitched leather and Alcantara, they exude bespoke luxury with every detail. The diamond quilting and optional contrasting colors add a layer of visual drama, while the head rests proudly with the embroidered Aston Martin wings. The seats offer multi-way electronic adjustability, including lumbar support and memory functions, ensuring your ideal driving position is just a button press away. Ambient lighting casts a soft glow across the cabin, highlighting the stitching and trim in a way that feels almost theatrical. Storage is minimal, as expected in a sports car, but the attention to ergonomic detail ensures nothing feels compromised. There's a synergy between the seats and the rest of the interior. They don't just support your body, they enhance the entire driving experience. This is more than seating. It's seating elevated to an art form, a perfect blend of grand tour comfort and race-ready readiness. Technically, the Aston Martin Vantage is a strict two-seater, which means there are no traditional back seats, but this design choice is deliberate. Aston Martin chose to dedicate the rear space to enhancing driving dynamics, weight distribution, and cabin intimacy. Instead of trying to squeeze in uncomfortable seats, the area behind the front passengers is optimized for storage and structural rigidity. You'll find a parcel shelf where you can place small bags or a jacket, maintaining practicality without compromising the Vantage's sleek proportions. This layout keeps the cabin focused and uncluttered. The absence of rear seats opens up the interior, giving it a driver-focused cockpit vibe that feels race-inspired. Sound insulation is top-notch, and you'll notice how peaceful the cabin remains, even at speed, thanks in part to the simplified layout. The rear wall of the cabin is leather-lined and often detailed with quilted patterns that mirror the front seats, ensuring aesthetic continuity. Optional packages allow for customization of this space, from luxury trims to sporty finishes that match the Vantage's high-performance nature. The dashboard of the Aston Martin Vantage is where craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. Wrapped in premium leather with intricate stitching in carbon fiber or brushed aluminum accents, it looks and feels like the cockpit of a bespoke fighter jet. The centerpiece is a crisp 8-inch infotainment screen, controlled by a rotary dial rather than touch, keeping fingerprints off and allowing for tactile control while driving. The layout is intentionally driver-centric, with all controls angled toward the pilot, reinforcing the car's sporting intentions. It's both high-tech and classically Aston Martin. There's a tangible harmony between analog feel and digital functionality. You don't get overwhelmed with screens or gimmicks. The Vantage's dashboard is about delivering essential information quickly and beautifully. Voice control, Apple CarPlay, and premium audio systems like Bang & Olufsen ensure you're entertained and connected at all times. But what you notice most is the craftsmanship. Soft-touch surfaces, tight panel gaps, and materials that age gracefully. The dashboard isn't just a control panel. It's a statement of intent. Bold, focused, and elegant, just like the car itself. The Aston Martin Vantage isn't just a car. It's a thrilling declaration of power, design, and legacy. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most breathtaking machines. See you on the next ride.